How to download Marvel Rivals on PC. Now, first of all, open your Steam account. Make sure to log into your account. Now, in the search bar, as you can see here, type Marvel Rivals like that. As you can see, so this is our game. It's free. Now, click on it. After that, what you need to do is just wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, as you can see here, just click on the play game or free to play. You can just scroll down to see the review, the requirements for that token, for that. After you click on the play the game, as you can see, so because I installed it before, so you will be able to select your disk from here. Now click on install. So after you install it, how to find your game after you install it on your account. Now go to the library, as you can see, click on it, and you will be able to find it here in the sidebar. As you can see, this is our game. Now after you install it, you can click on it here, and now you can click on play. You can play the game. Now if you don't use the Steam, you can go to their official website. As you can see, you'll be able to see these different platforms like Epic Store, the Netcase game, and if you want to install the Xbox or PlayStation 5, this is not our case on that video. Now select one of these to be able to install it on your PC. So this is how to install or download Marvel Rivals on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.